how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well. For today's class, mathematics, we are going to learn about how to write counting from 121 to 200. We are going to learn over here how do we write the numbers. How do we write the numbers under their place values, tabs, H, T, O. And you already know what is the meaning of H. H symbolizes 100, T symbolizes tens and O symbolizes ones. But how do we present it over here in our maths notebook? That I am going to teach you right now. See, in your maths notebook, whenever you are writing H, T and O, these are three short forms of some names. H symbolizes to 100, T symbolizes to tens and O symbolizes to ones. This shows us the place values of some numbers. Like if I have to tell you that I am talking about a number like 158, how can I teach you that? See, if I have to simply tell you about a number that is 158 and I have written my 1 under 100, then 5 under tens and 8 under ones. That means the place value of 8 is ones. The place value of 1 is 100. This shows that 100, when we are speaking 158, as I can read my number also. So these things help us to read the numbers. I hope this much is clear. Now coming back to our topic, that is 121 to 200. How you can do this in your notebook? In your maths notebook, whenever you are starting your countings, you always have to begin with the alphabets H, T, O. So what you can do, you can write down this H, T, O in 3 different columns, then leave one box over here and then again write down H, T, O, then leave one box and then write down H, T, O, then again leave one box and then write down H, T, O. This will help you to write down the countings. And now when you are going to write down the countings, they will surely help you. How they are going to help you? If in case you are not writing this, it may be possible that you write your numbers in the same box. But when they are already written in the different boxes, then counting will be easier. Now, let us see which is our first number. Our first number is 121. So I am going to start with 121 only. As my first number for today's topic is 121. So I have started by counting with 121. Now I will continue writing this line. 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, and the last one, 130. You all can see that I have stopped on this number 130. Why so? Because in this line my one's place value was 1. So again I will want my 131 to reach up to the next box. So I am starting over here 131. A new line, a fresh starting, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and the last one 140. So now we are going to continue writing our numbers till 200 the same way. We have to complete our maths counting just the same way. Right now I am on 140. So in my next box, what should I write? I will be writing 141. Because 141 is the number that comes after 140. So I am going to write only 141 over here. Now I can write down what will come after 141. After 141, the next number will be 142. Similarly, I can continue writing my numbers. 143. As I am speaking the numbers loudly, I am very much confident about what I am writing. So I would request you all, when you are doing your maths counting, please speak your numbers loudly. 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, and then 150. See, I was speaking my number in my proper way. I was saying 141, 142, 143. This was helping me to learn my numbers also. So when in my next class I am going to work on what come before, what come after, I will be always remember all the numbers because they are always in my mind, as I have already done the counting loudly in the class. So what you should do, you should always speak before writing. The next thing is, sometimes students read them like this: 1, 4, 9. That is not the correct form to read the number. When you are reading the number, you have to speak them properly according to the place values. 149. Read them loudly in the proper form, the way you are writing in the number names. You don't have to say 149. Yeah, 149. No, that is not 149 for sure. This is 149. So you will not say 149 when you are writing in your notebook. 141, 142, 143, 144, that is not the right concept. The correct concept of reading the numbers is 131, 132, 133, and so on. Please complete your countings till 200. Till then, goodbye.